Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my fidgets. Yeah. Mom, can you bring me my poppets? Sure. What? You didn't have to throw them. Okay guys, someone keeps calling me. But I'm not, okay guys, ignore the fact that there is buzzing in my camera because these spam people keep calling me and it's really annoying. And they, oh my god, my poppet fell. Stop doing the poppets, Mom. Where is yours? You keep these from everywhere. Whatever. So we're just gonna be showing you my fidgets. Okay, so these two are my newer ones because I just got them. I got them from the watermelon festival. They legit they got like every fidget. They legit has every fidget. This was $10 and this was $7. Don't ask why I paid $7 for this. And I got these two at City Trends, I think, probably like 2 or 3 months ago. And I got this one at Six Flags, and I went with my dad. And I'm super glad I got Simple Dimples because these are my two first Simple Dimples. I never had Simple Dimples before, but I these are my two favorites. They're all my favorite, and I'm hoping to get some more. Get up there. So yeah, hold on. I'm gonna try to make the Android the Mario noise with it. Okay, that was a fail. So yeah, those are my fidgets, and I have to end because it's gonna take a very long time to upload it, but it's only 2 minutes. So yeah, sorry if I waste your time, and thank you for 13 subs and 2K views on I Got My Team. I don't know why I'm still talking about it, so bye.